too much time to live this way. Somebody else is scared away. Ano to? Try nga natin ito. Hi guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Maulang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa stream natin. So yun, bago tayo mag-ML, promote muna tayo ng Winseer, okay? Para lang to syempre sa mga matatanda and willing magwaldas ng pera nila. Bawal po to sa mga bata. And paano nga ba mag-register? Click nyo lang yung link natin sa pin comment. Then use my promo code CLOUDS guys para makakuha ng 800 pesos plus 40 spin. Ganun lang kasimple yun. So paano nga ba mag-register? Click nyo lang yung link. And then ito, magdadirect kayo dito. Ito yung Winseer ng application ng Winseer. Yan, kitang-kita nyo naman na pwede kayo mag-bet sa kahit anong game nila. And pwede rin kayo mag-bet ng kahit magkano. Click nyo lang yan. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung load more. Lalabas po lahat yan. And bukod pa doon, meron mga another information na pwedeng makatulong about sa pagbe-bet. Basahin nyo na lang yan. If may time kayo, click nyo lang po yung positive sign. Lalabas po lahat ng kanilang explanation about sa mga yan. And so, paano nga ba mag-register? Click nyo lang yung register. After nyo i-link yung link natin sa pin comment. Lagay nyo lang yung country nyo and then yung contact number. Dapat yung active guys kasi magagamit nyo yan. And then after nun, lagay nyo lang yung promo code and then next. Then fill upan nyo lang din yung mga hiningi nilang information. Yung birthday, first name, middle name, last name, place of birth, current address, permanent address, nationality, Filipino, Philippines. Income source guys. Ano to? Income source, email address, yung active din, username and then yung password nyo po guys. Then after na, click nyo lang yung register and then login nyo na yung account nyo. And then pagka login nyo, ayan, ito yung makikita nyo, pinakita ko kanina. So bago yan, explain muna natin isa-isa para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano nga ba tumatakbo to. Okay, punta muna tayo sa live. Okay. Sa live, meron sila ditong basketball, football, tennis, volleyball, badminton, ice hockey, MMA, cricket, e-football, table tennis, rugby union, Counter-Strike, Dota 2, and American football. Bukod pa doon, may iba't ibang game yan, pero ito lang yung mga available sa ngayon. And may iba't ibang bansa na naglalaban ngayon, kaya itong mga ito, napakarami nila guys. And may mga another information din na pwedeng makatulong about sa pagbebet, pwede nyo pong basahin yan. And bukod pa doon, for example lang, click tayo ng isa dan na pwedeng pagbetan. Ito, saan na yan? For example, itong, meron ba? Ayan. For example, ito, pagka-click nyo na, may makikita nyo sa gilid kung magkano yung pwede nyo i-bet. Ayan, ibaba nyo lang. So, pag nag-bet kayo ng 100, possible na manalo po kayo ng 100,000. And then, pag 500, 500,000. And then, pag 1,000 is, possible na manalo kayo ng 1 million. Pero, depende yan, guys, ha. And then, sa sports naman, okay, lulutuin nyo na yama. And then sa sports naman, ayan, ganun lang din, pares lang naman din sila ng pagbebetan. And ayan, napakarami pong bansa na naglalaban ngayon. Scroll down nyo lang guys, sobrang dami. Lagpas yata ng 15 tong mga to. And ayan, yung mga laro nila, meron sila American football, Dota 2, Counter-Strike, triathlon, cycling, field hockey, golf, beach football, rugby union, yan, kung mga ano yung game na yan. And ganun lang din, then pwede kayo, ganun lang din, pili lang din kayo kung saan yung trip mag-bet. And ayan, ayan yung mga possible na mapanalunan nyo. And then sa casino guys, meron silang 26 providers. Napakaraming 20 providers nan. Ayan, kayo na lang din bahala kung paano kayo mamili dan. Kung anong bet nyong laruin. And pwede kayo mag-bet dito ng 1 peso or mas mataas pa. Nasa sa inyo kung magkano i-bet nyo. And ayan, meron sila ditong favorite, all games, last played, suggest game, popular game, new way bonus, beginning bonus, video slot, betting games, arcade game, fishing, hunting, lottery games, table games, instant game, megaway, scratch games, skill games, live dealer, drop win slot, and then achievement slot. So yan, napakarami nan. Yan, scroll down nyo lang dan. And sa ilalim nan may mga guide na pwedeng makatulong sa pagbebet. And then sa live casino, ayan, meron po silang live baccarats, pwede kayong magbet dan sa kahit magkanong halaga din. And may mga another information din na pwedeng makatulong about sa pagbebet sa kanilang live baccarats, ay live casino. Ayan, pwede nyo pong basahin yan if may time. And then sa B-Sports, ganun lang din. Pare-parehas lang din sila guys. Meron sila ditong virtual football, penalty kicks, virtual football league, drag racing, virtual cycling, virtual horse racing, virtual greyhound, and then marble racing. And another information ulit na pwedeng makatulong about sa pagbebet. Pwede nyo pong basahin yan if may time kayo. And then sa promo, napakaraming promo nila. Meron silang bet for a cause, ayan, and then Winseer Wonderfield. na pwede kayo manalo ng iPhone 16. Then 343 welcome bonus everyday. Win your share of 50,000 and then 100,000 cash prize pool. Meron din silang 500,000 cash prize pool. And then 500,000 cash prize pool. And then another 500,000 cash prize pool. Up to 2.5 risky first bet. Evolution bet and win 66 million. June 17 to December 29. Okay. And then be an agent. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-apply sa kanila. Baka qualified kayo. Kayo yung hinahanap nila. Mag-apply na kayo sa Winster. And then, lagi ng get free credit, spin and gift, place a spin, win your gift, 60 million. Daily wins, daily slot tournament, 4,000 winners every day. Meron sila 196 million. August 5 to March 24, 2025 guys, matagal pa. Then, up to 30,000 live casino rebate every Wednesday. Every day pala. Then, Monday, Tuesday, bonus bonanza, 5% free bet on Monday, plus 5% casino bonus on Tuesday. And then, all selection loss, win multiple, you still won. 10% basketball turnover. 10% daily casino deposit bonus, 2 goal ahead, stake back up to 50 times, share weekly raffle, refer 100 pesos per invite. Yan, pwede kayo mag-invite na kaibigan nyo dito para maglaro. Yan, makakatanggap kayo ng 100 kada isang tao. So, pag naka 10 kayo, meron kayo 1,000, ganun lang kasimple yun. 300 exclusive bonus, cancel bet with 0p. And another information na pwede makatulong about sa kanilang promo, pwede nyo pong basahin yan if may time kayo. Ayan, napakadami nan guys. And if may gusto pa kayo malaman about sa background ng Winster, pwede nyo pong basahin itong mga to. And pag core verified na din siya guys, so 100% legit, no? Sobrang legit niya. So, ano siya, pwede siya ang, kumbaga, ano ba to? Basta yan, legit siya, pwede siyang laruin sa Pilipinas. Okay, ganun lang yun. Pag core verified. And then, pwede nyo rin sila i-contact sa kanilang iba't ibang social media platform kagaya nitong Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Telegram, TikTok. And, pwede rin kayo mag-cash in, cash out using Philippines Bank, GCash, Maya, GrabPay, Shopee Pay, CoinPay, 7-Eleven, at iba pa. Ganun lang, kasimple guys. Kaya mag-register na kayo, gamitin nyo lang yung link ko sa pin comment. Then, use my promo code CLOUDS guys, okay. Okay, ganun lang kasimple guys. Kaya mag-register na kayo. Tara, mag-ML na tayo. Para tuloy-tuloy na rin yung laro ko. Magpapaano tayo. Try ko magpa-glory, mag-solo. I'm waiting to be this way. Somebody else is getting worse. What are you doing about me? Hindi ko pa pala na-set up yung ano ko. What do you do?
Your team is banning.
Okay. Game. Nakasusmurp ako. Awakan mo kamay ko nang mapakaibig.
Please ban a hero.
Tinig ko, hindi mo ba napansin? Ikaw ako.
Your team is picking.
Lala.
The enemy is picking.
Lala.
Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
Yes, matindi lineup sa umaga. Ay no.
Please pick a hero.
Ba't di ko kita yung viewers? Ayun, dito ko ba? Nakuha pa yung cloud ko. Shit. Going back to the corner.
私と一緒に夢の世界に行きましょう。
And in my sleeping bag. Worry that cowboy got you. Picture in my hands.
The enemy is picking.
Gago. Walang kill. Walang yung mga ano ko eh. Sagwa eh. Hi guys, good morning guys. Ba't na ba? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Pagkagising ko ban eh. Pero dito muna ako. Dito muna tayo magliligalig sa aking Smurf account. Dump account, Smurf account. Kung ano man tawag nyo. Nakain ng uso. It's alright. I'll be right by your side. That's G. Let's G sa Pinas. First game, GG. Parang may macchiato. Parang kilala ko to. Caramel macchiato. Teka lang, parang kilala ko to.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Well played. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! First blood!
Lo, aga. Hi guys, good morning guys. Ba't nakikita pa kung nag-join?
Initiate retreat! You have been slain.
Shit. Di ko rin alam guys. Pagkagising ko, ano na, gano'n na siya.
Launch attack! An ally has been slain. Killing spree. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Share nyo na yung stream guys. Good morning, Sara sa inyo lahat. Baba tuloy ng viewers ko pero okay lang, walang problema.
Launch attack.
Nakain ka lang yung
Initiate retreat.
kalma lang.
An ally has been slain.
Tanga pa naman nun eh, lahat sila.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Oh,
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Share nyo na yung stream guys, good morning.
You have been slain.
Ano nandoon pala sa side lane? Hindi ko napansin. Ulti na, Claude.
Launch attack! Launch attack! Okay. Launch attack! An ally has been slain. Launch attack! You have slain an enemy.
Brute force agad.
An ally has been slain.
Di ka nag-lance. May bida-bida sa amin eh. Oh. Sinidlane yung lance lot.
Launch attack!
0-3 tuloy eh. Ang lalaha eh. May adib-adib eh.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack! An ally has been slain. Mega kill! An enemy has been slain. Launch attack!
Dragonite stream guys.
An ally has been slain. Launch attack!
Dahil dun sa nag-away. Yung nag-away.
An ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack! Okay. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack!
Yung kahapon. Ay hindi, iba yun boss. Wala yun kahapon.
Unstoppable!
Ah, siguro. Ay hindi. Oo, siguro. Dun dahil. Ay, kahapon ba nangyari yun? O yung nakarang araw? Kahapon ba yun? Hindi ko tanda kung kahapon.
Monster launch attack!
Kahapon ba guys?
Godlike! An ally has been slain. Launch attack!
Understood.
You destroyed a turret. Launch attack! An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Try nyo na i-stream
Launch
guys.
attack!
Malas eh no?
Legendary! Well played. You have been slain.
Bakit gagong bilis?
Launch attack!
Nadikitan agad ako nun. Oy, good morning sa'yo Datu. Ay sa'yo boss. Good morning boss. Ang lamig. Kahapon boss nanonood ako. Eh kahapon ba yun? Siguro dahil dun. Kaya ako nang-mute. Ay oo nga no.
Our
Dahil nga
turret
dun.
has been destroyed.
Dahil nga
Launch
siguro dun.
attack!
Kaya naban ako. Pero okay lang.
Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack! Attack the turtle. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Launch attack! Okay. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack! Destroyed a turret.
First game, bagbagan.
Launch attack!
Understood.
An ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack! Launch attack!
Understood.
Launch attack! Killing spree! turret is under attack. Legendary! Double kill. Launch attack. Triple kill.
Saan ng Bene, gago.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Destroy the
Understood.
turret. Legendary. Launch attack. You have been slain.
Mga bangers. So yun na stream guys. Shout sa 132 viewers. Okay lang din pala kahit dito ako nakalig. Medyo marami-rami din pala eh. Send me a location. I need a
Launch attack.
I just need a place from
Understood.
place to come true. Bossing!
Launch attack.
Secret!
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Request that ult is ready.
Gather at the Lord.
Been slain. An enemy has
Nice one.
Understood. Gather at the Lord.
Nice trade.
Our turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed.
So yun na yung stream guys. Gusto kong mag-launch ulit na XG. O kaya kahit link. Bago tinanggap niya na yung pagkamatay niya. Hindi na siya gumalaw. Lala. Damig. And I'm still like you. Oh, kaya na daw.
Launch attack.
Morning guys, kumain na ba kayo? Kain na kayo guys. Hindi natin kailangan ng phone cooler ngayon. Let's G. Malamig ngayon eh. Maulan. Core tayo na XG. Pipilitin ko mag-core na XG. Para maganda yung game.
Launch a legendary. Shut down. Your team destroyed. An enemy has been slain. You destroyed a turret.
Mag-draw as a player ah. Lord na lang natin.
Launch attack.
Ayos vision mo ah.
Launch attack. Unstoppable. Ally has been launch attack.
Gago.
You have been slain.
Ayos pestuhan ng Chu ah.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has
One
launched
bullet lang.
attack.
Pwede lang. Pwede mo. Okay na yan. Walang baker yan. Ay, meron pala.
Our turret has
Akala
been
wala.
destroyed. Monster kill.
Lamig boss. Nag-gym ka ba? Yes po. Sa inyo na stream guys. Curse 1 boss. Curse 1. Tignan. Pinabapak ako nung kalaban ha. Ako lang yung punteriya. Lala. Ang lala.
Gather at the Lord.
Ha?
Launch
Gather at the
attack.
Lord!
La, boss, di na ako nag-aaral, boss.
An ally has slain Lord. You have slain an enemy. An ally Our turret is under attack. Has been slain.
Nadali
Our
pa ako.
turret has been slain.
Try natin mang one hit.
Request
boss.
backup. Launch attack.
Understood.
An enemy has been slain.
Pumapalag din eh,
Launch
oh.
attack.
Nakakamiss mag, Lancelot. Uy, gago, pala
Ally
yung gun.
has been slain.
Lala.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Alam mo na agad napatay yung Lancelot sa ganun eh. Eh, gago, napindot ko.
Launch attack. I'll take the buff. I'll take the buff.
Boss, bigyan mo na yan. Maawa ka. Upan.
Launch attack. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. An ally has been slain.
GG, inasin.
Shut down. Launch attack.
Ginagawa nun lang. Sakit naman nito.
Battle spell in cooldown.
Share nyo na stream, guys. Lang, focus lang tayo sa kit. Baka matalo pa kami. Traumatay sa bush, ah.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Okay.
I'm not moving.
Initiate retreat. You have been
Gago,
slain.
map dinuling. Sakit. Ban ako sa main, guys. Gawa nun sa siguro dun sa
Our
mga nag-trash
inhibitor
talk
turret is under attack.
kagabi sa stream ko. Kahapon yata. Masyado nagtagaytay kagabi. Eh. Oy, shout sa Julius. Di ka sumama eh.
Launch attack.
Budol ka. Kahit gamer ka talaga.
Launch attack. Attack
Gather at the Lord!
Hey, only dash. Hey. Lakas pala mag-lance sila. 11 Pro Max, guys. Next time. Sige, sige.
Launch attack. Inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Kaya pala.
An ally has been slain. Enemy is under attack.
Gago. Lakas ng tiyang isa, ano? Totore.
Defeat.
Wala, nung first game ko, talo agad. Solo lang ako, guys. Naka-solo lang. Babawi ako sa kanya. Wala, side game. Bakit kasi ng hero ko? Bili nga tayong hero.